Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba. Nearly every American has insurance coverage. Because of this, insurance is one of the top paying verticals. There are various insurance policies covering various groups of people. The insurance verticals can include health insurance, Medicare insurance, life insurance, and auto insurance. Almost every form of insurance can personally affect a family due to the need to be adequately covered and have potential hefty expenses covered. We have paper call expert Dave Mamane, CEO of WeCall, an agency that specializes in inbound insurance calls, and he explained the pros and cons of the insurance vertical.
Well, starting with the pros, the most obvious benefits to working in the auto insurance vertical are the fact that the vertical itself is evergreen, meaning there's no seasonality to auto insurance policies and writing policies. Secondly, the companies that you're dealing with are enormous, so the budgets tend to be huge. The other benefit is that it's somewhat recession-proof. Good economy, bad economy, everybody on the road who has a car needs car insurance. So when you consider launching a vertical or investing your time, money, and energy in any particular vertical, one of the more attractive factors is definitely sustainability of the campaign, the longevity of the campaign, and obviously the scalability of that campaign. And all of the benefits that I just mentioned are obviously contribute to that. As for the cons with it is that because you're dealing with such large companies, the IVRs tend to be extremely robust. Often the legal department gets their hands on the IVR and makes the IVR very challenging. So this is a little bit of a roadblock that needs to be overcome by affiliates and publishers. However, this usually can be overcome with very high intent and high quality calls.
Thanks, Dave. Contact the Ringba team to maximize your marketing efforts in the insurance vertical at sales@ringba.com. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay per call, visit www.ringba.com.